Today we have another Shop My Stash, which is a series in which I am selecting the nearly empty products from my collection and putting them in a basket and saying that this is what I'm using. It is a way to get rid of open products and to really cut down on the size of my stash. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Hello everyone, Kayla here, and this is What the Kink, a natural hair channel where I share my personal hair journey, tips, tricks, and product reviews to help you with your own. So if that sounds interesting, hit the subscribe and tap the bell for notifications, but then also make sure that you have YouTube notifications turned on your phone. My stats tell me that a lot of you guys have it, that you want notifications from me, but then you don't have any notifications enabled for your phone, so you're not getting the notifications that you signed up for. So just make sure that that's actually enabled. If you have tapped the bell and you're like, why am I not getting notifications? That might be the reason why. Okay, so I did not think that I was going to come back with another one of these so quickly, but then again, I should have known, because these are products that are empty when I'm getting them out anyway, or close to being empty. So it only stands to reason and makes sense that I should be back with a new basket full of different products. Okay, so this basket got some stuff in it that's heavier than the last one, so I'm trying to balance, okay? I was never a waitress. I never did food service. I did retail, and it was awful. So anyway, I still have my clarifying shampoo, my Kiki Curly Come Clean. This is the only clarifying shampoo I own. I'm not on a mission to empty it out, because when it's empty, I'm just going to buy another one to replace it. Alright, the shampoo that we're working with now is the Sola Toscana shampoo. Y'all, this bottle is so dark, because in these videos I want to tell you how empty the product is, but it is so hard to tell you. I'm going to guess that around the label, around here, somewhere around there, I think that's where this product is, as far as fullness. And there is one other shampoo that is lying in wait behind this one, so we're not through with the shampoo yet. Okay, next up, this is my deep conditioner. This is the Mixed Chicks deep conditioner. It's a white label. Y'all know how it is when I try to hold up stuff with white labels. It just doesn't do well with the lighting. So I am currently using this. There are no other open deep conditioners behind this product. In fact, I do not believe that I actually even have any other deep conditioners in my collection at the moment. Let me see. Wait, no. Yes, I do. I have one, but it's not open. So I'm probably going to be using this for quite some time. I will say that I guess with the Shop My Stash, I think I'm pretty much done with deep conditioners at this point, because there's not a lot of open deep conditioners laying around. This is the only one. The leave-in flavor of the month, hey, flavor of the moment, is the Shea Moisture Coconut Custard Make It Last Wash and Go Curl Primer with coconut butter and plant peptides. Yes, I feel like I was Twister just then. But another white label product, so the lighting kills it. But this leave-in is round here, where this finger is. So I could probably use this maybe 2 more times or so, and then it's gone. I do not have any open leave-ins behind this, so I think we're good to say that we're good on the leave-ins. I do have another leave-in, but it is not open, and it is a salon size, so yeah. I'm not going to pull out all the gels that I have in here, the stylers, but I have 3 of the Curls Ultimate Style Collection that they are working on the packaging on, and I have 3 of them open right now, and I do have the 4th one as well. And the 4th one, I just haven't used it yet, but I am currently in the midst of filming videos that are demoing these products. So all of these have been used. So there's videos. There's a wash and go video that's going to come out. There's a curl former video that features both of these. So these are like experimental, and that's why they're open. There's also a Wet Line Extreme Gel that's open, because I had to put on my work hair. That's what I call this, when my hair is defined. So I usually wear my hair defined when I have to go to work. So I put on my work hair, honey. And the reason I had to do it is not for work. So you'll see that video on Friday to tell you why I had to have my hair super defined. So I had to go out and buy a jar of Wet Line Extreme. But anyway, so that's open too over on the side. But for the moment, I'm doing other hairstyles that will use up these gels because I'm really excited and, you know, trying them and stuff. So far, I do like them. I've had great success with these gels. So you'll be seeing those videos all August long, and they might creep into September too. So be ready. Be ready. Another thing that someone commented and mentioned, and it was Oasis of Beauty, because she's been subscribed to my channel forever. She be commenting, and she's, you know, she's a real ride or die, you know what I'm saying? And she was talking about how she simplified down her products, and it got to the point where when she wanted to do other hairstyles, she didn't have the products that were necessary. And I was feeling that comment. I was like, I'm sure other people can relate, right? Because you wear your hair one way primarily when you don't have other products. So the reason why I'm bringing it up is because I do have other products that are open in my collection that are for other hairstyles. I'm just not considering them as a part of this because I was having things that were open that were a part of like my regular regimen, and it was just overwhelming to me, right? So I do have open right now in my collection a mousse that I use to set my soft styles, and then I also have open a curl cream, the Maui Moisture Curl Cream, in fact, because I use that to moisturize my non-wash and go hairstyles. I don't like to use regular leave-in on those hairstyles. I feel like it's not moisturizing enough. So I do have other products in my collection that are open that I'm not showing to you in these videos.